First, make sure your Windows is up to date. Press the Windows key. Search for Settings. Open Settings. From the left side, click Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Make sure your laptop is running the latest version of Windows. Once the updates are complete, close Settings. Now we need to update the audio driver. Press the Windows key. Search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Find Audio Inputs and Outputs. Click the arrow to expand it. Find your laptop speakers. Right-click on your speakers. Select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select Audio Endpoint. Click Next. Windows will now update the audio driver. Once the driver is updated, close the window. Now, while you're still in Device Manager, right-click on your speakers again. Select Disable Device. Click Yes to confirm. Then right-click on the speakers again. Select Enable Device. Now close Device Manager. Press the Windows key. Search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Change View By to large icons.
Click Power Options. Find your current power plan. Change it to the opposite option. For example, if High Performance is selected, try Balanced. If Balanced is selected, try High Performance. If you're still hearing crackling sounds, try the final method. Let's change the sound settings. Go to the right side of the taskbar. Right-click the speaker icon. Select Sound Settings. Scroll down and click More Sound Settings. In the Playback tab, find your laptop speakers. Right-click on the speakers. Select Properties. Now click the Advanced tab. Make sure Enable Audio Enhancements is disabled. You can also try changing the default format. For example, you can try 24-bit, 96,000 Hz. The available options may be different on your laptop. Try different formats and check which one works best. Click Apply, then click OK. That's it. This is how you can fix crackling sound on a Lenovo laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.